It's a jumbo-sized plant and a jumbo-sized development. After 2 years in the building, this was a prestige opening for the British Airways maintenance base. Its 100-foot-high hangar can accommodate 3 Boeing 747s at one time in an area equivalent to 5 rugby pitches. So far, 350 people are employed here. The eventual target is more than 1,000. With British Airways due to open an avionics plant at Llantrisant at the end of the year, the company is confident that good times lie ahead.
We've put a lot of money into this new facility here at Cardiff Wales Airport. We're putting more into the new avionics factory in Llantrisant. We have every intention of making sure that Wales, South Wales, is going to share in the benefits of the airline industry and its expansion and growth in the years ahead.
There's been little sign of expansion in recent weeks, with the aerospace industry having taken a nosedive in Wales. Extensive redundancies have been announced at the British Aerospace plant at Broughton in Clwyd, and only yesterday the EMMS engine overhaul plant near Caerphilly, previously owned by BA, revealed it was shedding 220 jobs. So this investment has thrown a lifeline to many of the workers who've already been taken on. Among those donning white overalls for the first time, former miners from the closed Taff Merthyr colliery in Glamorgan.
I was very depressed. I finished November last year before the colliery actually closed to get out before the rush, really, to try and find work. And I was struggling. I applied for countless jobs and I was very, very glad when this job came up.
But while there may be closures in the mining industry, this is one opening that's got a royal seal of approval.
Clearly they are the most remarkable new facilities, probably, I suspect, some of the best in the world. And I very much hope that as a result of it, they will attract a large number of customers from other countries who will want to use these facilities.
The first of the hangar bays opened here in June. The other 2 won't be operational until September next year. Meanwhile, in a break from aviation, Prince Charles saw for himself how a much smaller business is starting to take off. Members of a Cardiff rock band, Night Stalker, told the Prince how money from his youth trust was helping them on the way to chart success.